With RapidPipeline's remove invisible action, you can automatically get rid of any occluded geometry in your mesh, allowing you to reduce a model's face count without touching the parts of the model that are visible. In this example, the microwave model has a lot of internal technical parts. Let's turn on the wireframe mode to get a better view. These parts are great for certain use cases, but also unnecessary for other use cases such as simple real-time viewing. While manually removing these interior parts is possible, it would be very tedious and time-consuming. This is where RapidPipeline shines. By selecting the Remove Invisible Parts action, we can get rid of all the occluded geometry with just a click of a button. Going back to the wireframe mode, we can see the interior geometry has now been removed, making our model much more performance-friendly. By default, RapidPipeline takes transparent surfaces into consideration in performing occlusion. This is why in our example, the pizza behind the glass is still intact. If we toggle the Ignore Transparency option and process the model again, we see now that even the pizza is removed. It is possible to customize other settings as well, such as if the model should be processed as a whole or on a per mesh basis, or the culling quality, which affects the processing speed of the model. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine. Try it for free or chat with our human team directly on our website.